You have pain too?
Yes.
Is it more in the middle?
Yes, high, and I have always pain in my
All right.
burns.
All
Yes,
right,
when
all
I
right.
sit.
But this is
and-
much more here in this side?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Like this. Just relax. Breathe in, please. And breathe out. And another one.
Yes.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Yeah, that was it. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then you can stretch a little bit.
Yes.
Okay. Breathe in, please. And breathe out. Breathe in, please. And breathe out. Breathe out, breathe out. Very good. There you have pain too?
Yes.
Is it